What's your good name?
Sir, my name is Gungun.
Your good name is Gungun.
Yes, sir.
So are you ready for rapid round?
Yes, sir.
Seriously?
Yes, sir.
And all you are also ready? Yeah. Okay, that voice is very great. So shall we start?
By all means.
मैं इंग्लिश बोलना चाहती हूँ.
I wanna speak English.
क्यों बोलना चाहते हो?
Why do you speak English?
आप क्यों नहीं बोलते?
Why don't you speak English?
मैं नहीं जानती.
I don't know.
क्या मुझे इंग्लिश बोलनी चाहिए?
Should I speak English?
आपको इंग्लिश बोलनी चाहिए.
You should speak English.
लेकिन
But
मेरी फैमिली इंग्लिश नहीं बोलती.
my family doesn't speak English.
इसलिए
That's why.
मुझे इंग्लिश क्यों बोलनी चाहिए?
Why do you speak English?
Why should I speak
Why
English?
should I speak English?
Again,
Why should I speak English?
ये आपकी मजबूरी है.
That's your compulsion.
It's your compulsion.
It's your compulsion.
Again,
It's your compulsion.
ये मेरी मजबूरी नहीं है.
It's not my compulsion.
लेकिन
But
मुझे इंग्लिश बोलनी पड़ेगी.
I have to speak English.
I will have to speak English.
I will have to speak English.
I have to speak का मतलब होता है मुझे इंग्लिश बोलनी पड़ती है. I will have to speak English.
I will have to speak English.
इसलिए
That's why
मैं मेहनत करती हूँ.
I work hard.
क्या आप मेहनत करते हैं?
Do you work hard?
क्यों करते हैं?
Why do you work hard?
आपका इरादा क्या है?
What's your intention?
Again,
What's your intention?
लेकिन
But
राजकुमार आ चुका है.
Rajkumar has come.
इसलिए
That's why
मैं ये जाना पड़ेगा.
I will have to go.
मुझे रोकिए मत.
Don't stop me.
अगेन,
Don't stop me.
मुझे जाने दीजिए.
Let me go.
मुझे लेट हो रहा है.
I late.
आई एम गेटिंग लेट.
I am getting late.
क्या आप लेट हो रहे हैं?
Are you getting late?
अगेन,
Are you getting late?
लेकिन
But
उसने मुझे गाली दी.
he abuses me.
He abused me.
He abused me.
आपको उसने गाली क्यों दी?
Why did he abuse you?
Why did he abuse you? वो चाहता क्या है?
What does he want?
What does he
Want?
again?
What does he want?
मैंने पूछा नहीं.
I don't ask.
मैंने पूछा नहीं.
I didn't ask.
I didn't ask. लेकिन
But
आपको पूछना चाहिए था.
you should ask.
आपको पूछना चाहिए था.
You should have asked.
मैंने पूछा.
I asked.
लेकिन
But
उसने इग्नोर किया.
he ignores me.
He ignored me.
He ignored me.
इसलिए
That's why
मैं उससे बात नहीं करना चाहती.
I don't wanna speak to her.
I don't wanna talk to him.
Talk to him.
Again,
I don't wanna talk to him.
लेकिन
But
क्या आप जॉब करते हैं?
are you doing job?
क्या आप जॉब करते हैं?
Do you do job?
मेरे पिताजी जॉब करते हैं.
My father does job.
आपके पिताजी कहाँ जॉब करते हैं?
Where does your father do job?
अगेन,
Where does your father do job?
मैं नहीं जानती.
I don't know.
आपको मालूम होना चाहिए.
You should
नो.
know. You should know.
अगेन,
You should know.
मुझे क्यों मालूम होना चाहिए?
Why should I know?
अगेन,
Why should I know?
अच्छे डॉटर होने के नाते
As a good daughter,
आपको पता होना चाहिए.
you should know.
आपके पिताजी कहाँ जॉब करते हैं?
Where does your father do job?
Where does your father
Do job.
again?
Where does your father do job?
चिंता मत करिए.
Don't worry.
मैं पूछूंगी.
I will ask.
आपके पिताजी किस समय आते हैं?
Your father your father comes.
आपके
At
पिताजी
what time does your father come?
At what time does your father
Come.
again?
At what time does your father come?
आप किस समय जागते हैं?
At what time do you wake up?
Again,
At what time do you wake up?
आपके पिताजी किस समय जाते हैं?
At what time does your father go?
आपकी माताजी किस समय उठती हैं?
At what time does your mother wake up?
Again,
At what time does your mother wake up?
लेकिन
But
आज मैं लेट उठी.
today I am woke up late.
Today,
I woke up late.
इसलिए
That's why
जब तक मैं जागी मेरे पिताजी जा चुके थे.
when I woke up, then my father,
जब तक मैं जागी मेरे पिताजी जा चुके थे.
by the time I woke up, my father had gone.
By the time I woke up, my father had gone. इसलिए
That's why
मैं पैसे नहीं ले सकी.
I can't take money.
मैं पैसे नहीं ले सकी.
It's okay. I didn't take money.
I
couldn't take money.
Again.
I couldn't take money.
लेकिन
But
कल मैं पैसे लूंगी.
I will take money.
I will
tomorrow.
इसलिए
That's why
मैं एक्साइटेड हूँ.
I excited.
मैं एक्साइटेड हूँ.
I excite.
I am excited.
I am excited.
Again.
I am excited.
क्या आप एक्साइटेड हैं?
Are you excited?
क्यों हैं?
Why are you excited?
चाहते क्या हैं?
What do you want?
आपका भाई क्या चाहता है?
What does your brother want?
अपने भाई को समझा ले. Make your brother
understand.
Again.
Make your brother understand.
अपने पापा को समझा ले.
Make your father understand.
अपनी बहन को समझा ले.
Make your sister understand.
ये मेरे बस की बात नहीं है.
It's not
my
cup of tea. It's
Again.
not my cup of tea.
Again.
It's not my cup of tea.
कैसे आना हुआ? What brings
brings
you?
Here.
Again.
What brings you here?
Again.
What brings you here?
आपने मुझे इनवाइट किया.
Did you invited me?
आपने मुझे इनवाइट किया.
You invited me.
इसलिए
That's why
मैं यहाँ पर आया.
I came.
I came here.
I came here.
क्या आप भूल गए?
You forgot?
Have you forgotten?
Have you forgotten?
Loudly.
Have you forgotten?
Again.
Have you forgotten?
Again.
Have you forgotten?
आप क्यों भूल गए?
Why have you forgotten?
Again.
Why have you forgotten?
लेकिन
But
मेरे पिताजी जा चुके हैं.
my father has gone.
हम सेलिब्रेट कर चुके हैं.
We have
celebrated. Okay. So have you enjoyed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next time we will do much better. Okay. This is just starting time. We just completed our foundation course. Okay. Don't worry about that. We will do more practice about those things and we will improve ourselves. Best of luck next.
Thanks,
okay.
sir.
Okay. Bye bye.